Hi, I'm Tracy Al, and I am going to show you the number one tool that I have used with my clients all around the world, just like you, to help get them from the unconscious to the conscious, to help them reset their body, which is like a computer. So when you're feeling stressed or you're feeling anxious or you're feeling a little bit like, I don't know what to do next, and you need to get clarity, this tool takes only a few seconds. And the feedback that I have had, and even I've used it to restore, repair, regenerate my own life, and it works amazing. We're in the times where you need something quick. I'm Tracy Al. I'm known as a body whisperer. I help you go from unhealthy and unhappy to healthy and happy by connecting you to the God consciousness, raising your awareness and your frequency. So let's get into why you want to know this tip, why it will help you, and how it's helped me and thousands of other people just like you. So your body works like a computer. And I had to repair and restore my own body. And quite often in our busy lives, you will find yourself stressed out or you will find yourself anxious and you don't know what to do. What do you do when your computer starts to go fuzzy? A lot of people turn it off. They turn off that off button, they reset it, and everything reboots. This tool is a reboot tool that does the same thing. So it helps you stay focused, it helps you come back into alignment, and it gives you a little bit of like a blip right here from the subconscious to the conscious. So you can get your life moving forward, you can get your life on track, and it's just a nice, simple reset tool. And it works. So what it is your heart works like a heart drive. So not a hard drive, it's your heart drive. So if you understand anything about moving energy, even if you don't worry about it, it's okay. The heart drive is your main drive of your computer, of your body, okay? So just like your computer has a hard drive, if it dies, your computer dies. And if you think about it, anything in your body, right? You can kind of move organs around, you can slice little organs here and there, but you can't touch your heart. If you touch the heart, you're done, right? Like you can repair it, you can regenerate it, you can have surgery on it, but you can't slice bits of the heart and still function, and you can't take out your heart and still function. It is your heart drive. And when it's connected to the God consciousness, what it does is it creates an energetic flow. So when you're creating and manifesting, it doesn't come from just your thoughts. The number one driving factor is the heart drive and the frequency that you're pushing out. And then there are other tools that you can use that we teach to help you create quicker and regenerate things faster and to repair and restore your own body, your health, your finances, your relationships. And by using these, you start to get a greater awareness of who you are. You start to connect more on a conscious level, and you start to have more clarity. This is what we all want, right? So the tool that I use with all of my clients, just like you, and people have feedback is this. It's very simple. This is your hard drive. Thank you, God. Reset, let go. Thank you, God. Reset, let go. Thank you, God. Reset, let go. You don't even have to do it 3 times. It's using the physiology of your body. When you're actually, and you can do it, people tell me they'll walk down the street and they're just doing it in their head and they can feel things moving. So you can use the physiology of the body, and after a while, the body will just pick it up that that's what you're doing. And what it does is when you're actually going this to let go, you're actually removing the accumulation of energy. So you're removing things in your life that have created blocks, resistance, or hesitations. When you have blocks, resistance, or hesitations, what happens? You can't move forward. You don't understand what's next. You get confused. So this will start to move the energy out of the body to create the awareness, bringing in the God consciousness energy more. Because without the God consciousness energy, without faith, how are you going to trust that what you're asking for is really coming? How are you going to trust that you're going to get through those situations? I challenge you to use it. Use it for 30 days and watch what happens. So if you like this video, I want to encourage you to subscribe, hit the like button, comment below so we can say hello and get in touch. And if you want something else that you want to learn about, please let us know. I upload videos every Thursday at 10 a.m. to help keep you sifting and shifting so you can have the tools to reclaim your life. So we'll see you again soon.